Hi everyone, very good evening from Calcutta. So today is the day of the Shera. I am flying back to my home, Mumbai via Delhi. In this video, I'll cover the first leg of my journey, which is from Calcutta to Delhi. So I'll be flying by Air India. The aircraft will be Boeing 777-300ER. Yeah, thank you. So check-in is done. Now time to check out the lounge, which is for which I have to go a level up. I have about 1.5 hours to kill before the boarding starts, so I can visit the lounge. Here there are many ways to access the lounge. I'll use my SBI card. So as it's the day of Dashera, we have authentic Bengali food all around the table. But as it's an evening flight, I will try to have a light snack in the lounge because we'll be serving food even in the aircraft also. So after having a light snack, I am heading to the boarding gate. So that is the aircraft. It's a 2018 built Boeing 777-300ER. The registration is VT-ALX. It is one of the best aircrafts currently flying in the sky. So that's my seat today, 14K. It's a window seat.
ठीक तरह से रखा गया है। गलियारों तथा दरवाजों के पास कभी भी कोई सामान ना रखें। विमान के उड़ान भरते तथा विमान के उतरते समय खिड़की की शटर खुली रखें। धूम्रपान
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever.
So after getting the ATC clearance, we are ready to depart from Calcutta.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
dinner has been served on this flight. So here we have some steamed rice, then we have some chicken korma, then a stuffed paratha, green leafy vegetables, dal, which is the lentils, and we have Bengali dessert, the rasgulla, and some yogurt and pickle to go with the food. Yeah, so the dinner was very delicious. So after having that, I've got myself some Coke. Let me give you a seat tour now. So here is the tray table, then we have the bottle or cup holder, then we have the seat controls here. The seat goes into a full flat bed mode, which is very good if you are traveling long distance. Then we have a privacy divider, and this is the IFE remote, and then we have a reading light here. And we have a couple of USB ports and a power outlet. And there we have our very interactive IFE screen. I guess even the maps is visible on this IFE remote other than the screen, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, there it is. And if you know, the best thing about this IFE is this is the same IFE which is being used by Qatar Airways on their wide body aircrafts, and this is the only Air India aircraft to have this IFE setup. So I am very lucky today to get this aircraft, but I have even got this aircraft twice before. Yes, this is my third time flying on this particular aircraft. Let's check out the IFE now. So in movies we have several options in both Bollywood as well as Hollywood. Coming to my favorite part, which is the interactive maps. So here we have several views which we can toggle between. So this is the cockpit view, if I'm not wrong. This is the side view. We are around halfway through our journey from Calcutta to Delhi right now, flying above UP. Yeah, so on a long flight this IFE is very helpful to play around with. Now the infamous loo review. Here we have, I guess this is the lotion, and also we have the, I guess this is the perfume if I'm not wrong. Tissues, and I guess that's the sanitizer spray. And obviously the hot and cold water outlet. This washroom is a bit cramped when compared to the one which Air India has on their 787. So my bed is ready. I will take a short nap of about 30 minutes before the crew starts preparing the cabin for landing. So as you can see, due to the traffic above Delhi airspace, we are circling somewhere above UP. After circling for around 15 minutes, I think we finally have the landing clearance.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So after 2 hours in the air, we have finally landed at Delhi.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to
So as we taxi towards the gate, few likes and dislikes about this flight. The dislikes first. The menu could have been more extensive, but yeah, no complaints about the food quality. And in likes, the hard product was awesome. Brilliant hard product, brilliant seats. Everything was very good. The arrival departure time was good. It was on time. So guys, finally welcome to Delhi. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you like the video, because it gives me encouragement to make such more videos. Thanks a lot.